Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this solid granny square. This one is made by a combination of double crochets and triple crochet stitches. That's in US terms. We'll use the triple crochet stitches for the corner stitches and the double crochets for everything else. So we're going to start by making a magic ring. I'll show you how I make mine. Place the yarn between my fingers, hold the yarn, twist it up to make a loop and pinch that loop. Insert your hook from the front through the loop, grab your yarn, turn your hook down and twist through the loop. So this is our magic ring. Now we're going to chain 4. This chain 4 will count as our first triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our first corner. Now we're going to want to make 3 double crochets into the ring. To double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull through. Now that you have 3 loops on your hook, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. That's our first double crochet. Let's make 2 more. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Second one. Now 1 more. And now we're going to make a triple crochet for our second corner. To triple crochet, we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook through the ring, grab our yarn, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That's our triple crochet. So we've got corner, 3 double crochets, another corner. So we're going to carry on with 3 double crochets. One, 2, and 3. And now another triple. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and the last 2. You can tighten your ring a little bit just to see the first square forming. So now another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and another triple. So now we have 3 sides completed. So another 3 double crochets into the ring. And to complete our first round, we're going to slip stitch into the top of our chain 4 here. So to slip stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and just pull straight through. So this is our first round completed. Now to start our second round and all subsequent rounds, we're just going to carry on with chaining 4. So chain 4, and again this will form our triple crochet here. Now we're going to place 2 double crochets inside the same space at the base of this chain 4 here. So yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, make a double crochet, and now another one exactly into the same spot. This is basically our half of our first corner. And now we're going to put a double crochet on top of these 3 double crochets here. So the first one can be a little bit tricky. As you can see, this is our double crochet from the previous round. So we're going to want to insert our hook underneath these 2 loops here. The next one is quite clear, but the first one can be a little bit tricky because it's right next to our corner sequence here. So yarn over and insert your hook on top of that first double crochet from previous round. Then the next one, double crochet there, and next one too. Now we're into our corner, so this is our triple crochet from previous round. So we're to create a corner, we're going to be doing 2 double crochets, a triple crochet, and 2 double crochets, all into the same space. So make 2 double crochets, another one again into the same space. Now a triple, yarn over twice, and 2 more doubles. So that's our first full corner made. And now we're going to want to place a double crochet on top of our double crochets from previous rounds. So 1, 2, 3. Double crochet here. And another one next to that. And one more. Now we've reached our triple crochet from the previous round, so we're going to do our corner all inside this stitch. That's going to be 2 double crochets, a triple crochet, and 2 more double crochets, all into the same space. So 2 doubles, a triple, and 2 more doubles. That's our next corner made, and again a double crochet on top of double crochets from our previous round. And here we are at our third corner, sorry, fourth corner, no, third corner. So we're going to do 2 double crochets on top of our triple crochet, a triple crochet, and 2 more double crochets. Now we're going to finish off the last side with double crochets. So now we've reached our last corner, and if you remember when we started we made a triple crochet and 2 double crochets which will form half of our corner. So we're just going to do 2 double crochets into the same space here, and we're going to finish off the round by slip stitching on top of our chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through and just pull straight through. So this is our second round completed, and all subsequent rounds will be the same. We're going to start with chaining 4, 3, 4, and making 2 double crochets into the same space to form the first half of our corner. And now we're going to place a double crochet on top of all of our double crochets here, and when we get to our triple crochet we're going to make our corner sequence there, 2 double crochets, a triple and another 2 double crochets. So carry on and I'll see you at the end of this round. So I'm now at the end of my round 3. All I need to do is in this last corner where we already made half of the corner, 2 double crochets, 1 triple, we need to place 2 more double crochets to complete it. And 2, and again we're going to slip stitch on top of chain 4. So insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull through and pull straight through. So that's the end of our round 3. I'm going to do one more round, but you can carry on to make this granny square as big as you like, but let's do one more round together. So we're going to chain 4 again, 3, 4, which acts as our triple. Now we're going to make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and carry on placing a double crochet on top of our double crochets from previous round. I'll see you at the end of the round. So I'm nearly at the end of the round. All I have to do is make up the half of the last corner with 2 double crochets, and now again I'm going to slip stitch on top of that chain 4, pull through. To fasten off, we're just going to yarn over, pull through, cut our yarn, and just pull it through the last loop. And that's our granny square ready. Now what you want to do now is you want to turn it over and tidy up your ends. So grab your darning needle, thread it through, and just tidy up your magic ring end inside this circle here, and your end of the work, and just weave it through along the top stitches or these stitches on the side. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.